lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is a bonus reading for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Ayan, meron po tayong reading talaga for the week. February the 8th to February 14th. Hindi po ito late. No? This is just an update. Pero hindi na po lahat magkakaroon ng update. Moving forward, depende po yan sa mga reactions. No? Sa like, comments, and share. So kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng bonus reading sa mga susunod na panahon, ibabase ko po yan dito sa likes, comments, and share. Pwede naman kayo mag-comment kahit heart lang. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. Tulad ng sinabi ko, pwede kayong sumali. Meron din po doong February the 8th to February the 14th reading. So, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo. Ang nakikita natin dito para sa iyo, importante kasi yung nagbabago tayo, no? Meron tayong expansions, and especially Pisces, damang-dama naman natin sa sarili natin yon na kapag na-stuck tayo sa isang bagay, di ba? Parang naboboringan na tayo. Ayaw kasi natin ng robotic, no? Kasi we have creative minds. Ang nakikita pa natin dito is dahil nga marami tayong gustong gawin, no? Kasi Pisces fish, no? Usually, you cannot, in nature, no? Hindi talaga siya nilalagay sa bowl, no? Meron siyang sarili niyang habitat. And yung habitat ng mga isda is much greater than sa habitat ng mga tao, no? Mas malaki ang tubig kesa sa mga lupa. So, you can swim, no? The 7 seas, no? I mean, malayang malaya. Ngayon, ang nakikita kasi natin dito, yung mga pagbabago, gusto natin binibigyan ng action agad. Ang pinakaayaw natin dito, yung meron tayong naiisip, tapos yung nai-stock, okay lang naman yung naiisip, tapos pinag-aaralang mabuti, pero nandun pa rin yung executions, no? Para sa'yo, meron kang iniisip ditong mga bagay, pero bakit parang feeling mo, pinipigilan ng tao? This might be for your partner, relationship, romantic. This might be for family, no? Na parang, uy, wag ka munang, you know, probably yung family ties, no? Yung bond, napaka strict or napaka thick nung kanilang family bond. Parang ayaw may mawalay, no? Yung ganyan. Friendship also, baka meron tayong mga friendships na, or friends na mga selosa, kasi Pisces are very well known for being generous, not just with money, material things, of course with the wisdom, diba? Madadali tayong makakuha kasi ng vibe, no, ng energies. Alam natin kahit hindi sinasabi. Hindi mo ba napapansin, Pisces, na parang pag pumasok ka sa isang room, nag-iiba din yung timpla, no? Sometimes para kang kasing unyango din eh. Kung ano yung vibe ng room, parang yun yung naa-adapt mo at nagiging ikaw, no? Kaya minsan naguguluhan sila sa iyo. Ano ba to? kahapon lang ang tahimik nito or kilala ko 'tong taong 'to as tahimik na tao. Ngayon nung pinakilala ka or nasa isang room kayo 'no, parang joker lahat, ikaw ngayon naki-blend. It's not being plastic but that's who you are. You imbibe the vibe. You imbibe the vibe. Tama naman. With the Princess of Wands, so ang nakikita natin dito, Nine of Wands. So parang feeling mo meron tayong gustong i-open, no? Whether it is actions, dreams, aspirations. Um, pero bakit parang merong unti-unting nababakuran? Ah, so meron ditong parang fog of war, no? Siguro, ay sasabihin ko pa lang, siguro nandito yung Two of Pentacles. Eto na nga siya. So you're weighing down, no? And this is what you really are, kaya aligned sila, no? This is where you at right now. So you're balancing things out. So meron akong mga gustong gawing bagay. Ngayon, dahil meron mga influences of other people around me, iniisip ko tuloy kung dapat ko bang i-consider yung nararamdaman nila or dapat kong i-consider yung nararamdaman ko, no? Dapat ko bang i-consider ang well-being nila or i-consider ko ang well-being ko? Kasi sa sitwasyon ngayon, you cannot have both, 'di ba? Parang isa lang ang magiging masaya dito. Pag sinunod mo sila, ikaw ang malungkot. Pag sinunod mo yung sarili mo, merong tao ang magiging malungkot. So, it's hard to balance things out as of the moment. But with the Seven of Swords and the Five of Pentacles, so ang nakikita natin dito, medyo kinoconsider natin. No wonder, Pisces kinoconsider natin ang mga situation, no, ng taong affected. Ganun ka laki ang puso ni Pisces. Never selfish. Pero ayaw mo na rin yung part na niloloko mo yung sarili mo, no? Ayaw mo na rin yung part dun sa sitwasyon na kung pwede lang maging win-win situation ito, no? Bakit hindi? So with the Seven of Wands, you're probably looking for ways how to make everything come to fruition without hurting someone else's feelings and probably without hurting yourself, no? Siguro, lalabas dito yung Temperance, no? Wala pa naman ako nakikitang Temperance. But with the Seven of Wands, ito yung parang we're testing the waters, pasundot-sundot, no? Kung meron man tayong gustong gawin, especially when it comes to learnings, pag-aaral, or pagtatrabaho, lumipat ng trabaho, siguro ginagawa natin siya sideline, no? Or pwedeng pa subjects, ganyan. We're not fully into our dreams, pero binibigyan natin siya ng kaunting time. Kaunti, no? Pero syempre, mas more pa rin naman, tulad ng sinabi ko, doon sa mga kino-consider nating tao. And especially, yun nga lang, medyo kahit papano, no, na bibigyan mo ng damot yung sarili mo. Yung sarili mo dito, not the ibang tao. With the Sun, siguro we're settling for not the best. We're settling for the least. No? Kasi parang merong direction dito na whether it is probably you want to move to somewhere else. You probably want to move to a different country. Doon po sa mga OFW, siguro meron kayong mga boss, amo, no, na napamahal na rin siya sa inyo, napamahal ka na rin sa kanila, pero you're thinking of siguro dito sa company na to or siguro dito sa kabilang amo na to, I may be having a more greener pasture, pero kinukonsider mo pa rin kasi may pinagsamahan kami, the utang na loob, no, nandito na tayo. But with the Knight of Swords and the Fool card, so eto ang maganda. Hindi ko sinasabing maganda kasi may masasaktan, pero ang maganda dito is para kasing may nudge, may push, no? Merong intuition na bigla magsasabi sa'yo, huy, gawin mo yan, no? And with all your might. dadating yung time, and this is very, very soon, na bigla mong gagawin ang isang bagay na matagal mo nang gusto. It kind of make me feel na this is not, this just so happened, probably the opportunity is there. No, ito nga yung sinasabi natin, strike while the iron is hot. So, ito yung sinasabi natin, magte-take ka ng risk jumping off the cliff with the full card. Because this is a new beginning. This is an opportunity for you probably to get a greener pasture. Pero katulad na ng sinabi ko sa iyo with the Two of Pentacles, kung nandito ka sa your weighing in, this is who you are and what you are right now. With the Seven of Pentacles, siguro ngayon sinasabi mo, okay, bigyan-bigyan pa natin to ng mga time, no? Siguro nga baka kailangan kong mag-isip-isip ng kaunti, no? Baka kailangan ko nga i-consider muna itong mga ginagawa ko sa ngayon. Pero never namatay yung dream. Never namatay itong gustong gawin. For example, kung romantic relationship ito, let's say wala pa man kayo doon sa mag-asawa, no? Meron kang gustong-gustong tao. Pero because of the family, ayaw natin silang masaktan or sumama ang loob. Siguro pinagsasantabi muna natin. If nag-aaral, baka tapusin mo na ang pag-aaral, tsaka na kita babalikan kapag meron na tayong, kapag nakagraduate na ako, kapag na-fulfill ko na, no, yung promises ko sa family ko. Yan. Or kung meron kang, kung ikaw ang breadwinner, especially, gusto ko masunod muna, maibigay ko muna. So that's your inspiration, no? And probably for those people na nawawala yung inspiration, siguro ito ang gawin nyo, no? Dahil sa ako ang breadwinner, gusto ko munang ilagay sila sa maayos na pamumuhay, sa maayos na lugar bago ako umalis, no? And with that vision, siguro kailangan natin ngayon magsipag, mag-focus, no, para mas maibigay natin ng mas maaga. Kung mag-asawa naman, so parang sinasabi din natin dito na siguro kailangan namin bumukod, pero katulad nga niyan, napamahal na si apo, yung ganyan, no, kung may anak na rin. Siguro what we can do here is unti-untiin para hindi naman mabigla, no? Pero you're doing something. At least you are doing something with the Strength card and the Queen of Swords. So parang sa'yo, kapag tinatanong ka, no, hindi. Ayoko muna siyang pag-usapan. Ayoko muna siyang, siguro you probably believe in the evil eye, no? Baka kasi maon siya, ang tawag dito, mausog. Kaya ayoko muna siyang pag-usapan. Siguro pag tinatanong na lang to cut the story short, sinasabi mo, ay, no, wala na yun. Matagal na yun. Wala na akong gana doon, no? I'm moving forward. I'm happy with my situation. That's probably a bit of a lie, pero ayaw mo kasing uriratin na lang, no? Siguro, I think that's one of the most common lies that people use, whether it is white lie, black lie, gray lie. A lie is a lie. Kahit sino, no, pag tinatanong, sometimes situation happened, it may be unfortunate. Pag tinanong tayo, kamusta ka naman? Well, okay. I'm okay. The okay is the most common lie of all na ginagamit. Okay sometimes is not really okay. You know what I mean? But with the Ace of Swords and the Three of Cups, dadating yung araw na, ay, pagpo-focus din ako dito, darating na araw na makukuha ko rin siya. Kasi ang tanong mo yata dito is, huli na ba ang lahat? I feel like it's not. Nandun pa rin siya sa past mo, nandun pa rin siya, mangyayari pa rin siya para sa'yo. It just so happen na siguro, no, nangyayari ang mga bagay dahil meron itong reason. It may sound cliche dahil nga naman lagi natin naririnig. Everything happens for a reason, no? And yes, in this situation, yes. Baka kasi kung napaaga, probably, no, may nangyaring unfortunate. And I think that this is a divine timing, and I think that you are being guided with the King of Wands. I feel like kung sino man itong tao, energy, event, inaantay ka doon sa end ng tunnel na yon, sa end ng road na yon with the King of Wands and the Tower. The Tower, kasi ang nakikita natin dito 'pag sinabing tower, ay nakakatakot 'yan 'no? Dapat 'yan wala diyan, bakit nasa end 'yan? Um, Tower may be, sabihin nating devastating for most of the card readings kasi pagguho ito. But also tower represents no transformation, represents reinvention of thyself. So ang nakikita natin dito hindi naman siya pagguho, but this is a transformation of everything. No, parang things are placed in their right things are put into the right places at the right time, no? So siguro ito yung sinasabi natin before, no, na nakaka-relate tayo. Gusto ko sana siya eh. Kaso, anong kanta yun ni Barry Manilow? We had the right love at the wrong time. Noon yun. Dadating yun din yung time. Dapat may part 2 yun, no? Mr. Barry Manilow. Gumawa ka ng part 2 wherein, kasi napaka-sad nung story na yon. Gumawa ka ng part 2 wherein nag-meet sila and they still, love each other. And yun yung nakikita kong, and nakikita ko ng merging, no, with these two energies being placed together. So, yeah, this is your reading. Let's get some more cards here. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo, no, na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali. No, meron din po tayong readings doon for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Ayan. Pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy or makakatulog sa yes or no lang na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, no? There is a link in the description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Question form, name, amount per question, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's get the energy. Now is not the time. So ito nga yung sinabi ko. If this is the first time that this is happening, that maybe not the time. It's not the time. Pero if this happened, no, sa previous, I feel like that moment is not the time. Pero let's get a message. Kaya nga sabi ko, meron tayong divine timing, di ba? Let's get the message of the universe. Don't allow negative emotions to fester. If you are feeling frustrated, angry, or hurt, for example, just acknowledge that. Instead of fighting your feelings, go with them and work with them. Then, true healing can really begin. So usually, ito yung sinasabi nating shadow works, no? Most of us are running from our problems. I think that's human nature, no? But here, ang sinasabi niya is face the problem. And what you can do here is parang gumawa ka ng isang bagay na pwede mong solusyonan, hindi takbuhan. Kasi kung tatakbuhan mo yan, naghahabulan lang kayo. Ngayon, kung you're gonna face the problem at gagapiin mo yan, the problem will end there. Katulad nga nung nangyari sa sitwasyon na to, if in case ng kung kayo nga ay the breadwinner, no, ilagay nyo muna kung ano yung priority, and then pagtapos na yun, then probably you can conquer another battle, no? This is your reading. Let's get or check the zodiac sign of your person or the people involved no sa reading mo kung ito man ay collective of people. I am seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, Leo is here. Yeah, so that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Again, don't forget, no, i-click, i-like, comment. Meron kayong bonus reading sa susunod. And see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.